Alright, step 1. The no-code foundation. Before you touch code, you need to master the tools that do the heavy lifting for you. This starts with one skill. The most important skill in 2025. Prompt engineering. It's simple. It's powerful. And it gives you superpowers on day one. Great prompts follow 3 rules. Be clear, give context, and keep improving the output. A weak prompt gives weak results. A strong prompt unlocks the full brain of the AI. With prompts, you can learn faster, build faster, and create things you never thought you could. Need a learning roadmap? Prompt it. Need doubts cleared? Prompt it. Need ideas? Prompt it. This is your foundation. No code. Just smart thinking and smart prompting. And the best part? Anyone can do this. No technical background needed. So this week, try a few AI tools, practice at least 10 prompt patterns, and build one tiny no-code project.